Let's get an instant brow transformation with the Quick Fix Brow Kit. The first part of the duo is the Microblade Pen used to draw out hair-like strokes in a matter of seconds. It is also waterproof and comes in 3 shades, light, medium, and dark. Next up in the duo is the Bombshell Brow Gel, which is a transparent brow to lock those brows in place. Today we are going to do a gorgeous, fresh spring makeup, starting with our regular foundation and concealer, and then going into the Sugar Daddy Face Kit and taking the transparent powder and setting our skin. We are diving right into the brows with the Microblade Pen. Now you can use those little ends to create those hair-like strokes and just slightly press down a little bit to get out a beautiful color onto your brows. Using the pen is going to give a fuller look to your brows, and you can just see the difference with the before and after. A quick tip for the tail end of your brow is turning the pen to the side so that you can get a thinner, cleaner line. We are already looking gorgeous with our brows. Now we need to lock them in place with the Bombshell Brow Gel. I like to brush upward and outward to hold them where they belong. Moving on to the rest of the makeup, we are going to prime our eyes for some eyeshadow. Going into the light pink shade in the Sugar Daddy Face Kit, we are just sweeping that across the lids in a back and forth rainbow motion. Starting to build up a little bit of color with that darker, beautiful pink shade, and then blending it outward. I like to sweep a little bit of the product under the eyes too to balance out the look. We're going to add some shine to the eyes with this gorgeous shimmery eyeshadow. I like to use my finger to get the most pigmentation on the product onto my lid. Next, I like to curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. And we are taking the blush from the Sugar Daddy Face Kit to warm up our face. Top your look off with the Oh My Brow Bar by Rima lip gloss and you are set.